interior of the all-new Škoda ENYAQ Coupe IV is a very nice place to be. Centrally positioned 13-inch touchscreen is the key feature inside, and it can be personalized and proves access to the new infotainment system as well as the vehicle functions. In front of the driver there's a 5.3-inch digital cockpit with the most important information such as the speed, driving data and active assistance systems. There is also an option of head-up display that projects additional information including the augmented reality. For the full atmosphere there's also a nice LED ambient lighting in different colors. Customers will be able to choose between the design selections that are inspired by modern living environments, and they replace the classic trim levels. Even though this is the attractive coupe style SUV, it is still very practical as we are used to from Škoda models. It offers generous boot capacity of 570 liters. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more.